Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell and show you how you can turn on or turn off notifications in the TikTok application on iPhone. Please, friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put your likes under this video and write comments after watching. So friends, let us get down to our topic. First of all, you will need to on your iPhone open your phone settings. And this is where you'll need to find the TikTok app. To do that, scroll to the very bottom. Go to TikTok. Then you'll be able to find the notification option. Please click on that. And you will be taken to a page like this. So friends, what can you customize here? The very first thing is you can completely disable any notifications so that they will absolutely not come to your phone. To do that, you'll need to go to the top where it says All Notifications. Just turn off this green button right here, so that your screen will be white like this, without any menace. That will mean that you've turned off all notifications. If you want to customize some specific things, then friends, you can choose what you can customize here. For example, you can customize the sound here. You can customize the red dot above the app to see how many notifications you've received. You can also customize where you're going to, in what form you're going to receive these notifications. For example, on banners, notification center, also lock screen. If this is not enough functions for you, you would like to customize something for yourself in TikTok notifications. Then at the very bottom, click on this option to customize TikTok notifications. And as you can see, you will go directly to the TikTok app itself, where you can customize certain notifications. This is how you can turn on or turn off notifications in the TikTok app on your iPhone. I hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.